What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually going to be watching part 3 of BMW Invasion. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and part 2. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe for future car content, and enjoy these clips from the exhaust competition and the burnout competition. My boy Caleb absolutely killed it. He asked another M4 on the burnout competition, aka Line Lock M4. If you're watching this, man, shout out to you. Make sure you guys also leave a comment on what car was your favorite for the exhaust competition. My personal favorite was the E46 M3 with the 2JZ swap. I was actually walking out with my boy Jay Scotts and we actually heard that. It sounded insane. And then all the other V10s were also my favorite. But everyone who participated killed it in both competitions. But I hope you guys enjoy this video.
All right.
Cars, and I was like, man, I didn't find you.
My man, where you from? What's your name? What's the IG handle? What do you drive?
Adrian. I'm with out of Fayetteville, North Carolina.
Heck yeah.
I drive the 340.
Roland
M30 B58.
I'll put his info. Make sure you guys follow him. Good to finally put a face to the build.
All right. Round of applause. So if you guys watching.
Alright, these are my favorite. V10s all day.
Stay to the side.
All right. Straight pipe. Looks like you're straight pipe. That mustache is like straight pipe. All right. You like doing something bad. All right. 3 reps. Ready? Go.
That's my favorite. That's a V10, my favorite.
Go. Y'all like that snap crack?
It sounds like Heidi.
That's exactly what I said. No burbles.
All right.
That's loud. That's loud. That's switchback.
My ears.
Billy Beaver Club. Billy Beaver Club. right, who do you think?
Well, I mean, if you're counting whether it's supposed to be a BMW or not, the 2JZ swap is pretty dang good.
I would agree. I would
But
agree.
if not any of the V10s.
Yeah, I would agree. I would agree to the T on that. We'll see. They're about to announce the winner now. Comment down below what you guys think. All right, so the judges chose a 1 Series, but I think the real crowd favorite was this E46 with a 2J in it. I heard it coming out to the exhaust competition, and it was insane. This thing is sick. All right, I'm finally recording myself. It has been a long day. Your boy's tired. He's losing his voice, but we are headed to the Burnout competition. As you guys can see, everybody congregating. It's about to be wild. Try to capture as much as I can for you. Our boy Caleb is entered as well, so hopefully he takes home the W. Let's get it. This man's ready for the Burnout competition. And we're hoping he takes home the trophy, you know what I'm saying? The hometown hero. So yeah, make sure you guys follow Caleb. Crazy track build. Follow him on Instagram right here. Yes, another M4. The man right there.
She's not pretty, but she's fast.
Man just dialed it in like what, last night, today?
Last night I finished the line box, yeah.
Nice.
I was like, created new stainless steel lines, did the wiring harness, installed the solenoids, made my own mounting plate, drilled it.
This man always takes on the craziest projects by himself. Good stuff though.
Hey man, it's fun.
Yeah.
I gotta have you guys come just so you guys can record content while I do shit, because I'm too busy doing it.
Yeah, you know we're down, man.
Yeah.
And I still need that ride.
Yeah, dude. I'll take you. I still need, bro, I need to get tuned.
Or reaction video.
I need to get tuned for sure.
Yeah. What's going on, man? My boy Caleb joined the Icon gang. Super happy about that, I know he is. And then he has these brake ducts right here, but they're functional because he ran a hose through the back. And so now they're cooling the brakes. Again, this is like full track car. Caleb's like the mad magician Frankenstein guy in our group for sure.
For sure, 100%.
We got the Burnout competition, here we go. Yo, this shit's crazy. Look at the turnout. Yo, this shit's live!
Shit.
Woo!
The reason why I would never do this shit is because the crowd would make me think about it and I would fuck it up.
Yeah.
I would never want to do a burnout in a manual car.
Oh no, fuck yeah.
It's so intimidating.
Yeah.
It's hard if you don't have locks.
That was pretty good. 2, 1.
Yo, shit's live. Yay!
Caleb, right? Now Caleb's car for this event.
Caleb!
He added line locks to his car. Alright? For those of you that don't know what line locks is, that means it locks the front. So this should be a one air horn to start, Caleb. One air horn to start. One air horn to stop. Make sure you pay attention to the hearing because I know you're not going to see me or your smoke. Got it? 3, 2, 1.
Where are you, Corey?
Wait for the smoke to cool down.
Where are you?
I need to call the fire department. I need saving.
I'm about to die. He has good trend.
That's really nice, man. I love this car.
Supers, man.
3, 2, 1. Supra, you're gonna scream, and we're gonna decide who that is. Alrighty? On the count of 3, I'm gonna start with the G80. G80, 1, 2, 3. Alright, same thing for the Supra. Supra, 1, 2, 3. Alright, G81.
100%, yeah.
Sad Caleb didn't win.
My boys take it home, but yo, Caleb's shit was still fire though.
He
Yeah.
laid it down.
Hell
He
yeah.
laid it down.
Hell yeah.
He produced the most smoke.
Yeah, he did.
I think.
That facts.
He was the only one where the rubber on the ground was like smoking.
Still smoking, yeah. Corey, how's the weather difference from Boston?
So it is 18 degrees in Boston right now. So,
So this is what you get?
this is pretty good. I can
Nice,
get used to this.
nice little switch up.
You know?
Corey's gonna be moving down,
Hoping to
guys.
Spend more time down here.
Facts,
with the
facts,
boys,
facts.
yeah.
And then one day he's gonna move down, he
I
said.
mean, Viet's a good enough reason, but I need a couple more good reasons. to
Yeah,
come
yeah,
down
true,
here.
true. My man. What do you think about that burnout contest?
It was dope. It was dope.
That was super
I mean,
sick.
None of the spectators were listening.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
but
yeah.
It was still a success.
But that crowd in itself was massive, yo.
Yeah.
All right, so our boy Caleb put a good effort, but this G80 right here took it home, as you guys saw. Crowd reaction was crazy. He killed it, and then his exhaust sounded amazing, so congrats to him. Vlogception. All right, that is a wrap though for the show part. As you guys can see, everything's clearing out. Beautiful freaking day though in Orlando. Beautiful day in Florida. So many Beamers came out today. Amazing, amazing meet, amazing turnout. Super fun. Had a blast. Hope you guys enjoy the content. All right, that's a wrap. Everybody's leaving. I'm super tired. We're super tired. We'll wrap this one up later. I'm fucking dead. Yeah. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed part 3. Let me know what you guys think down below. But make sure you subscribe for future car content. We got part 4, which is gonna be the rally, coming out this Friday, so you guys don't want to miss out. The rally was such a blast, and I met a bunch of cool people, so definitely one of the highlights of the weekend. I think everybody that went on the rally had a great time. Stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for all the support and the comments down below. It means a lot. But we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.